नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। श्लोका 24। कुमारा ऊचुः अधते वर्ण्यते स्माभिर्महिमाशु शास्त्रजः यस्य श्रवणमात्रेण मुक्तिः करतले स्थिताम्। अधते वर्ण्यते स्माभिर्. The Kumara Ujuku. Kumaras means the Sanat Kumaras. Ujuku means said. Adha, now. Te shall. Varnyade smabhir. We shall describe everything in detail. Mahima Shuka Shastrajaha. Mahima means the great glory. Shuka Shastrajaha means the Srimad Bhagavatam, that is the Shastra which was enunciated by Shuka Muni. Adade Varnyade Smabhir Mahima Shuka Shastrajaha. We shall now describe to you the great glory of the Shuka Shastra, which is the Srimad Bhagavatam, which was enunciated by Shuka Muni. Yasya Shravana Matrena. Yasya. At the moment you Shravana, listen, Matrena, the moment that the same moment, Yasya Shravana Matrena, the same moment when you listen to the Srimad Bhagavatam, Mukti Karadale Sthita. Mukti means the liberation. Karadale will be in your palm. Sthita, for sure. It will be secured. Yasya Shravana Matrena Mukti Karadale Sthita. By listening to the Srimad Bhagavatam, the liberation from samsara secured as if being just on the palms of one's hands. That much importance is our Srimad Bhagavata Saptangam. Adate Varnyade Smabhir Mahima Shastrajah Yasya Shravana Matrena Mukti Karatale Sthita. Kumaras said, the Sanat Kumaras, we shall now describe to you the great glory of Shuka Shastra, which is Srimad Bhagavata, as enunciated by Shuka Muni, by listening to which liberation from samsara will be secured as if just on the palm of one's hand. Kumara Uchuku Adade Varnyade Smabhir Mahima Shuga Shastrajaka Yasya Shravana Matrena Mukti Karatale Sthita. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Thank you.